I've been wanting my pool to be remar-sided, and I got quotes, and they were just way expensive. In fact, the pool actually is 30 years old. It's never been anything. Thumbs up to whoever put the pool in, because I cannot believe we've had a pool 30 years, never resurfaced, refinished, nothing. So pretty good job. So what we're doing here is the initial part is draining. So I got a sump pump, little $30 thing from eBay. I was quite surprised. And emptying the water in phases. In Florida, high water table, it's a lot of water and you drain it too fast, the pool will lift and crack, supposedly. I know nothing about pools, nothing about doing this. This is a first time, probably last time, of resurfacing, or should I say painting the pool, because it's quite ugly looking if you actually look at it. I mean, it can look nice at times, but if you look closely at it, all those stains, pretty nasty. So right now I'm in the process of just emptying it all out. Like I said, I got these little bilge pumpers, which are pleasantly surprised to find out were like $20, and that's it. And it's pumping out a lot of water. I wanted to make sure I pumped it slowly, at least in intervals, so I could see how much water was going out into the yard, and I didn't want to create more problems or even drain it so that it would go out towards this part of the pool that was actually built up and find out I'm washing it all away. That would be ridiculous. I guess that's the right word. But then I'm halfway there, I guess. Started this yesterday. And it's end of February in Florida. It's the best time to do this because it hasn't rained in forever. There is a drought, and that's the key on stuff like this. Do not do this when it's rained or the water tables are high. And also, this light, I was able to, well, not me, I had someone change the light when it burned out, the light bulb, but with the age and stuff, the screws don't even come out anymore. So the first thing after I get the water level below that blue light, I'm going to go ahead and start the cleaning process. Hopefully, if it's below that light, then I'll also be able to have the shallow end of the pool exposed so I can start doing as much as I can, because I don't plan on draining the very end until I know I can wrap it up in less than 24 hours. They strongly recommend ChatGPT strongly recommends that you do whatever you got to do and fill it up ASAP. So I'm going to go with that for now and keep you all posted.